Hi, my name is Creighton and I work for Accent Roofing. I'm a project manager for the company. Today we're at a Habitat for Humanity restore job site. We've been working with Habitat for Humanity for a couple of years. Our vision is that we could give away money or do a can drive or help out in a shelter, but our expertise in roofing, and there are a lot of people who could use a new or repaired roof. And so we're out here today just doing that. It's going to be a pretty quick day. But we're really excited to work with Jomayra, the new homeowner, and getting her a brand new GAF roof. We're actually going to let Jomayra climb up on a ladder and put the first shingle of the roof on the house to kind of take some ownership, almost this old house style of roofing. So thanks so much for joining us.
Hey, I'm Jen Welch. I'm the Director of Programs at Gwinnett Habitat for Humanity. So this is house 151 for us. Jomayra is the homeowner. She's actually been waiting since 2019 to get her home. She was selected back then, but as any builder knows in Gwinnett County, land is hard to come by. And so her and her son Randy and her daughter Ashley are really excited to be moving in and getting into a safe neighborhood. That was one of their main concerns. So we're really excited for her. We're on our third build day, so we've had 3 volunteer days so far, and now today we have Accent Roofing who's coming out to put on a brand new roof for us with the help of GAF and their materials. The Habitat for Humanity's mission is to bring people together and show God's love and build safe, affordable, decent homes for folks. So we know that people need to only spend 30% of their income on housing. In Gwinnett County, there's only about 1 in 3 people who are able to actually do that effectively. So we have a huge need in Gwinnett County for people that have affordable housing. And our mission is to help people do that by providing them with a no-interest house.
My name is Ashley, and this is my mom. My name is Jomayra. We lived in the Beaufort area for 12 years now. What excites me the most is knowing that it's going to be ours, knowing that we're going to be safe, knowing that my kids are going to go into a new environment in our own home.
Perfect. You want to do it again?
And my vision is I would like to go back to school and get my career, and knowing my kids are going to be safe at home, it will be give me more time to focus on my career.